no support from my mentors at the time. I had nowhere to go, and I was in such an incredible amount of pain that I was being faced with a very real question of that this is something that I truly wanted to do. It was really hard, and I was really, really scared. I left the studio that I was in because I just couldn't keep up with the walk-in traffic. I couldn't keep pushing myself for 7 hours at a time. I didn't want to keep living the way that I was, and that's when I was pushed towards the Tattooer Health Club. They were so amazing. I was on another tattooer club thing, and they were telling me that I had to talk to Jordan, and it was exactly what I needed. Because at the time, I was basically immobilized. My hands barely worked. They were so swollen that I couldn't hold anything. And so I cried on our first call, and it was really, really hard. And I was so grateful at how understanding he was and what he was able to provide. So I, of course, had to jump on it. As soon as I realized how powerful what he was offering me was, like the education I needed to take better care of my body.